Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now by confirming the exact bulb type for a 2015 Toyota Camry. You need the right H11 halogen or OEM equivalent. You'll open the hood and remove the small plastic access cover behind the headlight. This exposes the bulb housing. You can disconnect the negative battery terminal if you plan to handle connectors. This reduces short risk. Once you see the bulb rear cap, twist the cap or unclip the retaining spring to begin removal. Make sure your hands are clean and tools ready. You'll now remove the old bulb. Press the connector tab and pull it straight off the bulb base, then free the retaining clip or twist the bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Carefully withdraw the bulb. Do not touch the glass surface because oils shorten life. When installing the new bulb, hold it by the base or use a clean glove or tissue. Seat it into the socket, align the tabs so it sits flush, then secure the clip or twist clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the electrical plug firmly. Once the bulb is secure and the connector back in place, replace the dust cap or access panel so the housing is sealed against moisture. Reconnect the negative battery if you disconnected it earlier. Turn the headlights on and check brightness and beam alignment from about 10 feet away. Make sure both beams match vertically and horizontally. If the light flickers or fails, immediately turn it off. Then inspect the connector pins, ensure the bulb base is fully seated, and verify the ground and fuse. Loose connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.